This morning, we are learning more about the tragic tour helicopter crash that happened in the Hudson River near New Jersey yesterday. 6 people, the pilot and a family of tourists, died. Investigators from the National Transportation Safety Board arrived on the scene overnight, and we expect to hear from them later today. CBS News' Jared Hill has more on the crash, and we do want to warn you that some of these images in this report may be disturbing.
Video shows a helicopter tumble out of the sky, then plunge into the Hudson River Thursday. All 6 people on board, including a family of 5 with 3 children, killed.
Our hearts go out to the family of those who are on board.
Witnesses say they saw the tourist chopper break apart midair just seconds before the crash.
The propeller just exploded and scattered, right? And then after that, we saw the plane was just spiraling down.
According to the NYPD, flight tracking data shows the Bell 206 aircraft was being used by the tour company New York Helicopter. It took off from downtown Manhattan just before 3 p.m. and was in the air for less than 20 minutes.
We are devastated.
The head of New York Helicopter says they leased the chopper from a company based in Louisiana. He declined to discuss its inspection record.
We follow all the rules and more.
Authorities say 4 bodies were pulled out of the water. Another 2 people were taken to the hospital where they were later pronounced dead. The NYPD is saying that the passengers on this helicopter were a family visiting New York from Spain.
CBS News New York has learned the victims were Agustin Escobar, an executive with the technology company Siemens, his wife, and their 3 children.
That's very sad to hear that people coming from vacation and then they end up this way.
The National Transportation Safety Board and the FAA are now investigating. Jared Hill, CBS News, New York.
Reactions continue to pour in over the tragic accident. President Trump posted on social media, "God bless the families and friends of the victims," while Spain's Prime Minister said it is an unimaginable tragedy. New this morning, a van man is behind